Dear students, I, Mr. Vishal Shah, Assistant Professor, Krishna Institute of Pharmacy, Karad, welcome you all to this session on the directive effects of the substituents on the monosubstituted benzene, part 1. As you know, in previous lecture, we have seen that how different substituent plays important role in deciding the reactivity of monosubstituted benzene in the form of the electrophilic substitution reaction. So we have seen already that two electronic effects plays an important role. These two electronic effects are, one is inductive effect and the other one is resonance effect. Due to these two effects, what happens that the reactivity of the different monosubstituted benzene towards electrophilic substitution reaction may be different. Some substituent will carry out the activation of the ring, or some substituent will carry out the deactivation of the ring. Those substituent will carry out the activation of the ring, they will increase the rate of reaction, while those substituent which will carry out the deactivation of the ring will carry out the electrophilic substitution reaction at less speed. Now, why this happens? Ultimately, the answer is electronic effects like resonance effect and the inductive effect. Apart from this also, the whatever the incoming electrophile is there, it is specifically directed either at the orthopara or the meta position. Now these effects are known as the directive effects. So let's see one by one what is the meaning of directive effect. Before that, we will see what are the learning outcomes of this session. After this session, students will be able to explain directive effects in the monosubstituted benzene, give different examples of ortho and para directing groups, give examples of meta directing groups. So let's see what is the meaning of directive effect. As I said, when we perform the electrophilic substitution reaction of the monosubstituted benzene, the whatever the incoming electrophile is there, that incoming electrophile is attracted either towards the ortho para position or the meta position. Now it depends upon the substituent that is present on the benzene ring. So here deciding factor is substituent that is present on the benzene ring. Some substituent will direct the motion of the electrophile towards the orthopara position, or the some substituent will direct the motion towards the meta position. Now there are two different effects. As I said, one is the orthopara directing effect and other one is the meta directing effect. Orthopara directing effect means what? Here incoming electrophile is attached at either ortho position or the para position. For example, let's see the example of this phenol. Here phenol is nothing but the monosubstituted benzene. We know that monosubstituted means what? There is a presence of one substitution at the benzene. Here hydroxyl group is present as a substitution on the benzene. That's why phenol is also considered as a hydroxybenzene. Now if we perform the nitration of the phenol, what happens? You can see actually what we are expecting as monosubstituted benzene is having three different positions. One is ortho, then meta, and third one is the para. So when we perform the electrophilic substitution reaction of the monosubstituted benzene, we are expecting that the product that is obtained, it must be a mixture of three different products. One is the ortho substituted product, second one is meta substituted product, and third one is the para substituted product. But practically this does not happen. So when we perform the electrophilic substitution reaction of monosubstituted compound, either we will get the ortho-para substituted product or we will get the meta substituted product, depending upon the which substituent that is present on the benzene ring. So here, when hydroxyl group is present, you will see here how much amount of percentage or which product is generally obtained. Here we will get the 53% of orthonitrophenol. In addition to that, we will get 47% of paranitrophenol, and no pre-nitrophenol means metanitrophenol product is obtained. So here, when electrophilic substitution reaction of the phenol is carried out, we are getting a mixture of orthonitrophenol and the paranitrophenol. Metanitrophenol is absent. In such a case or in such a situation, the directive effect is known as the ortho-para directing effect, where incoming electrophile is attracted towards the ortho position or the para position. Then that effect is known as the ortho-para directing effect. So many examples are there which will carry out the direction of incoming electrophile towards the ortho or para position. Also, these ortho-para directors are generally considered as the activators, means they increase the speed of the reaction as compared to the benzene. So if we compare the reactivity of the phenol and the benzene, phenol is more reactive as compared to the benzene in terms of the electrophilic substitution reaction, because the reason is hydroxyl group, which is considered as an activator. Only halogens are there which shows ortho-para directing effect, but they are the deactivators of the benzene ring, where the speed of the reaction is decreased when halogens are present as a substituent. So this is the first directive effect, ortho-para directing effect. Second directive effect that is observed in the monosubstituted benzene is meta directing effect. Now here you can see we will consider example of the nitrobenzene. Remember, in previous case, instead of this nitro group, here there is a presence of the hydroxyl group, and now here there is a presence of the nitro group. Now suppose if we perform the nitration of nitrobenzene, means nitration means what? Addition of nitro group. So another nitro group is added to this nitrobenzene to get the di-substituted product. Now here, if we perform this reaction, we are getting the major product, that is 94% of the product that is obtained is meta-dinitrobenzene. In previous case, we have seen we are getting 53% of the ortho product and the 47% of the para product. But here you are going to see that major or the only one product is obtained in the major concentration is meta-dinitrobenzene. So the reason is that whatever the nitro group that is present as a substituent, this will carry out the direction of the incoming electrophile, that is the nitro group, to the meta position to get the M-dinitrobenzene as a product. Means here who decides whether electrophile is going? Only substituent that is present on the benzene ring, and not the benzene ring which is responsible for showing this particular effect. These effects are known as the ortho-para directing effect and the meta directing effect. Now also, why? What are the reasons behind this? Now we have seen the resonance effect. There are two different types of the resonance effect. One is the electron donating and other one is the electron withdrawing resonance effect. Now activators, what they will do, whatever the activators are there, they will place a negative charge at the ortho and para position. Say for example, in case of the hydroxyl group is activator of the benzene ring. So what it will do, it will show electron donating resonance effect, due to which whatever the lone pair of electrons that are present on the hydroxyl group, they are donated to the benzene ring, and due to which negative charge is placed at the ortho and para position. And that's why when these positions are having a negative charge, incoming electrophile which is having a positive charge is readily attracted towards the ortho and para position, because meta positions are comparatively more positively charged. And in case of meta directing effect, this nitro group is known as the deactivator, where this nitro group will place a positive charge at the ortho and para position, and due to which the whatever these meta positions are there, these meta positions are becoming more electron rich, more electronegative, and due to which incoming electrophile is attracted towards the meta position. Once the meta positions are fulfilled, then only the substitution will take place at the ortho or the para position, but in negligible concentration. So these two effects are known as the ortho para directing effect and the meta directing effect. Now we will see various examples which are responsible for showing the ortho para directing effect and the meta directing effect. Those substituent which will show the ortho para directing effect, they are known as the ortho para directors, because they will carry out the direction of the incoming electrophile towards the ortho or para position, while the meta directors are nothing but those groups which will direct the positioning of the incoming electrophile towards the meta position. Let's see various examples. Here you can see fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all halogens, they are the ortho para director. So when chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene or fluorobenzene, if you perform the electrophilic substitution reaction, you will get the substituent will be attracted towards the ortho or the para position. Similarly, already we have seen this example in case of the phenol, that the hydroxyl group, when hydroxyl group is present, it is also acting as a ortho para director. Then methoxy group or any OR, that is the ether group, alkoxy group, when it is also present, it will carry out the substitution at the ortho or para position. Also, the reason is simple, because we know that whatever these hydroxyl groups are there, these hydroxyl groups which are having the lone pair of electrons, and these lone pair of electrons are donated to the benzene ring. So benzene gets more electrons, and due to which it becomes more electron rich. Similarly, different amino groups like primary amino group, secondary amino group, as well as the tertiary amino group, all these three are acting as a ortho para director. So aniline also, when undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, it will give us a ortho para substituted product. In addition to that, very common alkyl group, when alkyl group is also present, it is acting as a ortho para director. Remember, alkyl group shows which effect? It shows electron donating inductive effect. Here, so inductive effect as well as the resonance effect plays an important role in deciding the whether the compound is ortho para director or the meta director. Now let's see various examples of the meta directors. One example that already we have seen is a nitro group. All these groups will place a positive charge at the ortho and para position, and the ortho para director, all these groups will place a negative charge at the ortho and para position. In addition to that, that is the nitro group, sulfonic acid group is also meta director. Then cyanide, carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone, as well as the ammonium ion, all these groups are considered as a meta directing group. Also, those groups which are having a general structure, benzene ring bonded to the A double bond B. For example, in case of nitro, we will consider A as a nitrogen and B as a oxygen, where this B is more electronegative as compared to the A. Such all groups are acting as a meta directors. Here also this nitrogen is more electronegative as compared to the carbon. That's why it is acting as a meta director. So this is all about the directive effects in the benzene, that is the